I think this should be an eye-opener for the irresponsible statements which have been made by these Congress leaders. Time and again, just to gain political mileage and score brownie points, they have been resorting to such wild, false statements with impunity. Because the libel laws in India were very lax. I am happy that Supreme Court has demonstrated that libel laws will no more be lax, that you shall be held accountable for all these statements or all the falsehoods you try to perpetrate. Mr. Rahul Gandhi has been in a habit of out of his mouth. I mean, he's been making such ridiculously funny statements, false statements, and statements which are beneath contempt. And this reprimand of the Supreme Court shall instill some sense of balance in Mr. Rahul Gandhi.
And in a sense also, Sudhanshu Mittal, serve to temper the kind of political discourse we've seen in the country where there are allegations and insinuations which are very carelessly bandied about.
I'm saying I welcome the intervention of the Supreme Court, because it is time that as a civilized society we must have restraint and we must have accountability. Today, everybody's got a license to speak anything and everything, no matter how defamatory or how false it may be, without any accountability and with impunity. There must be this restraint. I mean, it is the individual here is symbolizing the irresponsibility which has crept in. And it is a larger message as well. I do acknowledge that this will be not only visible as Rahul Gandhi, but this will be a larger message to the entire population, which is in a habit of speaking just out of their hat.
And finally, Sudhanshu Mittal, do you think it would just be desirable for Rahul Gandhi to simply apologize and to avoid trial?
I would think so. That it would reflect some kind of seriousness if he apologizes for the falsehood he had been trying to spread. RSS had nothing to do with the Gandhi murder. It is a documented, well-established fact. And to use this kind of an insinuation to score brownie point is something which Mr. Rahul Gandhi should never have resorted to at the first place. And instead of being stubborn and instead of trying to show bravado, I think he'll do well in acknowledging his mistake and apologizing so that the matter could be put to rest. However, if he is not willing to, rest assured, the prosecutors will not leave him and he shall face music in case he does not apologize.